Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to your studio for the last come and share this video because it's amazing. It's very helpful. Today I want to show you many things. How to view Asus gaming laptop battery life, CPU temperature and BIOS, bro, and more. Okay. First of all, if you want to see more information about your computer, your Asus, everything, you need to download a software in Google that you will find on Google. Just go on Google search and looking for the software what I want to show you. And this software is here. It's called Battery Info View. This is what you need when you click on Battery Info View. Now you have all informations about your battery. Can you see this? Battery name. You can see Asus battery. Can you see all of this? And more informations. Now, in this list, there are something. Battery health. How to see your battery health, bro? Let's see what I want to talk about. Battery health, like iPhone or something. This is battery health. Can you see this? I have 63.8% of battery right now after 3 good years with my Asus gaming laptop. Can you see this? Bro? Can you see this? This is Asus gaming laptop, Asus ROG Strix G. Do you believe this? This is amazing. As you can see everything, even your battery capacity. I have 4,210 mini ampere. Can you see this? And after 3 years, this is what I have now. Full charged capacity now is 2,686 mini ampere right now. This is what I have right now. This is what I have right now. And the battery life reserve is here, 63.8%. Can you see this? And there's something very important also what you can see. You can see something here. Full battery time for the current activity estimated to 2 hours, and this is what you see. Okay, if you want to check if it's real, let's see here. If you show cursor, let's go on battery and look at what you have here. 2 hours and 11. This is like what you see here in the first line before what I'll show you. Can you see this? Remaining battery time for the current activity estimated to this. Can you see this? You can click on F5 to actualize this information. Every time F5 to actualize this information. Now let's check right now the battery. Wow, this is almost the same thing. This is significant that this software is real, is very real. Just go on Google, looking for check for battery info view. Download for free. This application is very useful. It gives you your battery health. Now, how to view CPU temperature. CPU temperature. Sometimes it's a good problem, it's a big problem to see CPU temperature, even when you come on task dictionary. Can you see this? This is French version, we can say this in English for you. Even when you come on task dictionary and you click on performance. Can you see this? Performance. When you click on performance, you have CPU. This is CPU, processor, CPU. And you can see battery temperature here. No informations about battery temperature here, bro. I don't know why. When you see GPU 1 NVIDIA GeForce 1660 Ti, you can see under just here battery temperature. No, I think that this is battery usage. This is what I'm thinking. Battery temperature. Maybe I think that this is battery temperature also. I think that this is battery temperature or something. Or usage, I don't know. But if you want to have information about temperature of your CPU, even or GPU on Asus gaming laptop, you have Armoury Crate. When you click on Armoury Crate, this is Armoury Crate. Armoury Crate is very good, very helpful for you. This is definitely not a joke. This is what you need to have more information about your CPU, your GPU, and more. Even your RAM, everything. Look at very well. As you can see, I have all information about this here. This is Intel, Core i7, everything information you need to know. And when you come here, you have CPU here and GPU here. And what you have more information about your CPU usage, and you have temperature here under temperature. You can see 44 degrees Celsius. Can you see this? This is how to see CPU temperature in Asus gaming laptop. Now you have GPU, okay? GPU, and you have temperature also here. You can see this is battery economy or something. This is battery save, is on battery save in English. Can you see this is significant that you don't use your GPU, your GPU is not used. Can you see this? Now you have all information about this here. Even your memory, your RAM here. I have 32 gigabytes. Yeah, 52 gigabytes, 32. Okay, and more storage here, more than 3 terabytes. And this is your fan informations. Can you see this? Wow, this is cool. You can also find your CPU temperature into your BIOS when you put your computer. Before going on BIOS, you need to know something. If you want to give to your BIOS more information about everything about your computer, your battery, everything, what you need to know is to install the driver of your BIOS directly into your system, into your Windows 11. For example, this is Windows 11, as you can see. Can you see this? Okay. How to do this, bro? You need to download your BIOS drivers. For example, to do this, you need to go on my Asus. You can go on. Okay, welcome on my Asus. You can come here just in Windows Microsoft Store to download this, okay, for free also. And you can go on assistance. Look at just the logo, this logo. Go assistant. Here you have what you need to know about your computer, everything. If you want to check, to see if there are problems or not on your battery, just click here, click on verify, wait for verifications. You can do the same thing for all of your component, your battery component. And here also you have CPU temperature. Here is a pure. Okay, you can see here no problem, zero problem in my battery. This is cool. Now you can see also your CPU temperature here 43%. Can you see this? If and your GPU also information, which is more information about fan, okay, fan number 1 and fan number 2, and information about this, how is run, everything. You can see battery. This is amazing. It gives you more information like memory rate. Can you see this? Even your storage, what is used, what is free, everything, your space used. And you can also see your computer model series here. Okay, then you click on home on this to check it. Now if you want to see if you need to update your computer, you come on live update, click on this. You have also verify if you are new update, just here, verify update here, and you can see I are not update. Now I can click on plus to check everything. When you click on this button, you will see nothing appear. Just you need to click on this icon, okay, this thing, to make the list appear. Now you can see BIOS update for Windows. Can you see this? This is depending of your computer. Okay, nice. When you open, you can see enter security update. You can see also this improve system stability. Can you see this? Can you see this? And you can click here to download. I have the both files, bro. This is amazing. When you download this, your BIOS driver, and you install, this file will come on your OS and driver. When you open drivers, you can see every driver what you have installed, every folder for your drivers what you have installed. This is where your drivers come. I have meet a problem with this version of my BIOS, okay, because when I install file, this all of the files appear here and disappear after. This is something that I have recording on my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Let me see if it's here. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, this is your folder. When you go to install, to install this file, you can see just like that. Let me show you again the process. Just open the drivers, follow instruction, just click on install, come on drivers, you can see it's appear here. Okay, and you need to restart your phone. But when you do this, all of this file disappear. Can you see this? All of these files here disappear when you click on no. When you don't want to restart, all of these files disappear. And this is the file you need to have on into this drivers folder. Is important for your BIOS, your BIOS if I okay. But as you can see, it disappear. What I had done when I install this and I come here and stop it, I decided to create myself a folder and take every file here, every new files here for my BIOS, and put all of them in a folder that I create here. This folder is here, Asus for my version, and the BIOS is here, BIOS installer is here. Okay, and it's now here. All of these files, this is what you need. For example, for my version, depending on your version. So you have these files. These files you need just to copy this BIOS files to your external storage or something. You need to do this. For example, I have external storage. You need to take this and copy in your external storage or something. And when you reinstall your system, you need just to take this folder that you create and put this in this direction, in this folder here on your OS directly. Can you see this? OS directly, just like that, and put this just into just like that. Okay, take this from your driver, for your external driver or something, and put this here. And how is it important? It's important for your BIOS. When you put your computer, you go on your BIOS setup. I will show you this too. I will show you this. When you go on your BIOS, when you put this here, it's important for your BIOS. And it's important because it gives to your BIOS all informations about your drivers, your RAM, everything, even your battery, because I have met a problem with my battery. When my battery is charging and I disconnect my battery, I disconnect my computer, what I meet is that I can see that after this, when I disconnect my charger and I turn off my phone, my computer, when I restart this computer, battery percentage of my battery, the percentage of my battery decreased to 0% immediately, 0% every time. But when I charge my phone, because my computer is working, I can use this directly on Windows. But when I restart, my battery dropped to 0%. First, it was a great problem that I met. But when I have do what I have shown you before, I install the BIOS files here. Okay, voila, I send my BIOS files here. And this folder, what I create, every problems about this disappear, and the battery now appear working very well, very well. This is significant that when you reinstall your system, your Windows, you need absolutely to put your BIOS files here. So do this because it's very important to increase the power of your computer, and it's important for communication about all of your devices to your computer, and it's very important also for your BIOS or your original BIOS. When you put your computer, I will show you right now. You need also to install all of the drivers you will find here. Also, all of your drivers is very important. Now, how to access to your BIOS? How to access to your BIOS original, your BIOS? How to call this? Just Asus BIOS. How to do this? Well, this is not complicated. In my case, what I do is just restart. No, turn off your computer. Let me close all opening window, software, window, or application. Now, click on the button, turn off your computer, power off. Okay. Now, when your computer is off, as you can see, it's still on. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bam. And goodbye. Okay, when your computer is off, just like that, what you need to do is just to click on boot and Escape of your computer. Escape. Okay, face button. Just do this when you boot your computer. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. So let's click on power button, and when it's on, click on this button. When your computer show you a logo, continue to do this, and when it's done, you can see all of this. Okay, can move this all above. Okay, just like that. Now go on enter setup and click on enter in your keyboard, and this is your BIOS. You can see BIOS utility EZ mode. Can you see this? BIOS utility EZ mode for Republic of Gamer. Can you see this? Nice. Now you can see my version here, BIOS version 3.1.2, and more information about my Intel Core i7, my memory 32GB RAM, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 6060 Ti, but you can see here serial number, your resolution of your computer, and more. Can you see this? You have even cursor, and you have also your fan. Run. You can see everything here. More details. Hardware monitor. Can you see this? And you can also see the CPU appear here. 59%, 39 degrees Celsius. Cool. And you can also see your battery percentage here. Do you believe this? Look at what I have here. Damn. Ooh. Look at that. This is a problem that I have to tell you before. This is significant that I need to reinstall the previous version of my BIOS because the brand new version that I'll show you not working perfectly. This is why you can see this. Let me show you again. When you try to boot your computer, nothing, no answer. That's what you see there. You see this? This is because the driver of your BIOS is not perfect. It's not the perfect driver. So I want to decrease to the preview version of my BIOS driver. We will preview version on my BIOS to fix the problem. Version 3, go from version 3.1.2 to version 3.1.0 to fix the problem. I want to reinstall this directly because it's more stable than this new version. What I want to tell you also is that, bro, when your computer is working perfectly, you don't need to update your BIOS. Okay? Okay? This is good. Now, I need to connect my AC, to start charge my battery, and reinstall the previous version of my BIOS for more stability for my system. Wow, this is what I'm talking about. Damn. Okay, let's just open it. Let's try to turn on. When you come on this, when you see this, you need to wait 5 minutes for 5 minutes, because when you boot, sometimes stop it. Battery drop to 0%. This is wow. Look at that. My battery was 68% now. You can see this 0. You believe this? Look at that. This is because the BIOS driver that I installed, the brand new BIOS driver that I installed is not good. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Oh, it's turned off. Everything 0% and it's turned off. Wow. What you do is simple, just reinstall the previous version of your BIOS to fix the problem. Wait for 5 or 10 minutes of charging, okay? And after, reinstall the previous version of your BIOS that you are discovering that is good, okay? Okay, bro. I decided to reinstall the preview version of my BIOS on my gaming laptop. Now, I want to test to see if the problem of battery is fixed. I'll make sure to charge this gaming laptop for something like 30% of battery. And now, I will open it and see if it will work. Are you ready? Okay. Let's click on turn on button. Okay, let's see together if the problem of battery is fixed or what. Okay, you can see battery here and my computer boot now. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? Damn, look at how this computer is beautiful. Wow, this computer is so nice. I have this problem for more than 1 year now. This is wow, this is unbelievable to find solution how to fix it. This is cool. This is why I recommend you to install your BIOS for system to improve system stability. This is definitely not a joke. This is definitely not a joke, my friends. Now I can access to my computer and see the battery percentage to 27% now. Even Steam starts update, and this is cool. As you can see, let me show you what I have done. Okay, let me show you. I have let me take the external drive, connect to my computer because my BIOS is inside. My BIOS is inside. Okay, BIOS, PC. Okay, nice. BIOS. Okay, this is the perfect BIOS for my Asus workstation version G731GU. This is version 310. This is what I have installed, and the problem of battery is now fixed. You believe this? This is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna click on next. You will agree. Click on next again. You can see this. You can see the build this folder will install. This file will be installed on C driver, everything. Let's see what they're talking about. They're talking about your OS. Okay, when go on OS, and you can see driver. Enter. Okay, this is what I have done. I always installed this, as you can see, different version. This is a good version for my gaming laptop. Is improved system stability. This is not a joke now. This is the new files. This is wow. You see this? And when you come here on my Asus, you will see two BIOS setup, two BIOS file, but one of them work perfectly for my computer. Can you see this? This is what I'm talking about. You can see this is a brand new BIOS update for Windows. You can see version 3.12. This is what I installed and it work. Version 3.10. Can you see this? You can see improve system stability. This is what you need. And verify that is really installed in this folder, drivers. Just like that, BIOS install everything. Verify it, because if it's not really installed here, you will meet a big problem with all of the drivers. For example, in my case, a battery. Okay, now battery is fixed. Yeah, this was a great problem that I have met this is the proof that new update is not absolutely the perfect things to have. Sometimes you have better computer and you want to update. For what? Your computer working perfectly, you want to update for what? Now look at what I have made. Honestly, I have not seen this problem before. This was the first time I discovered this. You can see BIOS update for Windows 3.12. You can see Intel security update. And this one, you can see improve system stability. This is what you need, bro. This is what you need. Turn on and install to your computer. Okay. Remember, for your serial number, this is for my computer here. Asus Rock 3G, and this is cool. Very, very, very cool. Wow. Life is not easy, bro. Life is not what you think. This is my configuration. Intel Core i7 9th generation. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti, 6GB of VRAM. Nice. Let's see what I have. Games I play every time. And this is cool. Very, very cool. Now you can listen the no fans. You can listen nothing because it's not good. It's not good. Now what about, let's close this because I don't need this again. Now what about the BIOS, the BIOS utility? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Click on, I want to stop this and boot. As you can see, the perfect BIOS, but I installed the version 3.3.10 for system to improve system stability. Now you will see the version of BIOS utility. Okay, when you boot your computer, you click on F12, please F2. For in my case, I click on escape. That's enter. Let me turn on. Press enter anytime. Okay, and you can see to access to everything. Now you can select. You can click on enter. Just move both buttons. Okay, now click on enter. What about version of BIOS utility? This is EZ mode. EZ mode. Can you see this? Here I have version 3.12. Can you see this? It's different than what I have installed in my in Windows, bro. Definitely different. Can you see this? Damn, this is crazy. This is very, very, very crazy. Now the battery percentage is correct. Every information here is really good information. And now enjoy your gaming laptop. Look at even the cursor working now very, very well. Have you seen what I show you before? Now the cursor working very, very perfectly. Wow, I'm shocked. I'm just shocked. You can see fan run very, very well. You have a good answer, the good Informations? No. CPU 54 degrees Celsius. Okay. Nice. Everything work. You can see no port here. Let's try to connect face. Okay. Let's try to connect. See if something changed. Yeah. It's turned on, but nothing changed here. Maybe you need to actualize this thing or reboot or something. Advanced mode. This is advanced mode. All informations you need to know. You can see again BIOS version 3.12. Okay, move all of this. All informations you need to know about this. When you move all information, what you need to know. Okay, let's click on escape. Exit. Okay, now let me press this button again just to try to enter to come back to BIOS. One done to resume action and well done. Now your USB port WD API. Can you see this? You can see WD elements. This is real. This significates that now everything works perfectly, and now you can enjoy your new laptop. Beautiful. Wow. This is not a joke. It's real. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you. I also want to enjoy this video again. It's not easy to do this, but I have done this for you. Thanks for watching.